Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be a little update on the Transformers group build, Optimus Prime that I'm building. So, ain't got a lot done, but we'll cover what we got done so far with that. Let's turn around and get to it. Okay, so really haven't done a lot on this yet, up until now. Done a little bit in the last couple days. This is what we're building. We've got the cab put together. A little bit of Tamiya glue, then put some putty down in there, as you can see, just to help hold it a little bit. I'm not sure how well it will, but it's staying together. I've not put the back on yet. I'm going to be waiting to do that, see if there's anything else I need to do in there. Got a little bit of the frame rails here done with the front suspension mounted. We've got the rear suspension, different pieces coming together. You know, I've never built one of these before, so it's in their instructions, just lists the part. It don't list the part number off the tree. And the trees don't have part numbers. You gotta go by picture. That's a little, I don't know. For my first time, I'm doing okay. We'll just say that. I've not got paint picked out yet for this. But if you recall, and this is going to be something I'll be working on soon, I just got to download the audio for it. I'm going to be having him say some quotes as Optimus Prime. I'll have this button mounted somewhere, probably in the trailer or on the frame of the cab. I don't know, that you can press it and it'll talk to you. So that's coming. And that'll be cool when that's good to go. But I'm not doing too bad. A little here, a little there. Trying to do more than one kid at a time now. Work a little on one, work a little on another, then come back to what I've been working on. Because I'm still working on the Camaro. I've got this I'm working on. What else do I got? And maybe I'm working on two of them at the time. And I've got this. If you hadn't seen the other video, this was the front of the Cornet chassis. I'm gonna make like a rail buggy, just using this piece, using all other than seats and stuff, tubing that'll be from the sprues. It's gonna be a sprue kit, you might say. Something just have a little fun with. Use some spare parts up, wheels, tires, interior parts. But with that, this first update, I guess you might say, on my Transformers group build. If you haven't thought about joining, jump in. Car from or inspired by the movie or franchise series, cartoon, whatever. It don't have to be the main character. If there's a car you like and it's in the movie, put it in it. Hop in the group build. Let's have some fun with this. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.